Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.
So we started our program 3 years ago, and this is our third transplant. This is the first interstate transplant. We have had a shortage of donor organs, that's why there's been a delay, and Shivam has had to wait 4 years. But he's also been persevering with his medical treatment, and we are glad to do his heart transplant successfully this month.
Because this Kles is basically charitable hospital, and we work cost to cost, where in most of the hospitals are all corporate hospitals. Their motive is to earn money. Here our motive is totally give a service to the people.
4.5 वर्सांनी प्रॉब्लेम जालो, सो वेट केलो डोनराक लागून. सो म्हाका कॉल येयले, सो डोनर मेळ्ळो म्हणून 15th येयलो हांगा केलीन. 16th ऑपरेट जालें आनी आतां हांव केलीन आसा. 25 days जाले. सो आतां फाल्यां परत डिस्चार्ज आसा. सो सगळें ओके, पॉझिटिव्ह सगळें ओके आसा आनी आतां सगळेंच ओके. डॉक्टर एच सरान बी सक्सेसफूल केलें ट्रान्सप्लांट. सो आतां सगळें हेल्दी आसा, नॉर्मल लायफ अशी, न्यू लायफ. सो ओके.